Today, we're diving into the Dell Vostro 3500 replacement laptop 15.6-inch LCD LED display screen. With a screen size of 15.6 inches, it's designed to provide a visually immersive experience. The sleek design aligns seamlessly with the Dell brand, and at just 0.5 pounds, it maintains a lightweight profile. The glossy screen surface adds a touch of elegance, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Whether you're working on a project, streaming content, or engaging in gaming sessions, the display quality holds up well. The vibrant colors and sharp details contribute to an enjoyable visual journey. Installing this replacement screen is a straightforward process, making it accessible for users who may want to upgrade or replace their current display. The durability of the build ensures a reliable performance, meeting the standards we've come to expect from Dell. In conclusion, the Dell Vostro 3500 replacement laptop 15.6-inch LCD LED display screen is a commendable choice for those seeking a quality display upgrade. It ticks the boxes for size, weight, and overall performance, making it a worthy consideration for anyone in the market for a new laptop screen. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.